So I was on my way to work. I was meant to work a vaccine clinic in Chicago. When en route, I was clipped at the back of my car. It was a hit and run. My car ran off of Highway 90. It flipped end over end twice and rolled 5 times. Somehow, I'm alive today to tell you about this. Thousands of dollars for ambulance ride, thousands of dollars for care. I wasn't really getting anywhere when it came to my medical care. I kept getting turned away from the hospital, being told, just rest, relax, things like that. And it wasn't until I got in touch with Ankin Law office that I was even connected with a specialist, connected with a physical therapist, connected with a chiropractor to actually assess my injuries, push forward and get some images taken, and actually get treated for my injuries. It turned out I had neck injuries, I had a traumatic brain injury. None of those things would have been investigated if it was not for this law office. The intake process was smooth, it was beautiful, it was awesome. All I had to do was explain the case and what happened. And then I was connected with an amazing attorney, Maria Marmon.
To me, the most important aspect is that when a person gets injured and they're in this crash, they don't know who to turn to, they don't know the process, they don't know how to navigate the insurance waters and how to actually fight for themselves because they're also dealing with an injury. So to me, being able to explain to a person that everything is going to be okay, that I am here to fight for you and all you need to do is just to get better, and to have that level of trust between the attorney and the client, that means the world to me.
And they walked me through the process, kept me abreast of everything, every step of the way, and were essentially the first people to listen to me, believe me, and fight for me.
Whenever an insurance carrier looks at a case like Lauren's, all they look is medical records and the amount of the bills that Lauren incurred. However, in Lauren's case, it's very important to look at who she is as a person and how these injuries, even though maybe they're not in the emergency room records, but these injuries have affected her day to day, and being able to prove that and fight for her, to me, that was very, very special.
I'm so lucky that I found you guys on Google. So lucky, so blessed. Myself, my family, we are all eternally grateful to this practice for the human connection, for the compassion, for the competence. It is very rare to find all 3 of those in one place. And I'm grateful. So anyone who needs someone to listen to them, anyone who's been injured, anyone who needs answers, who needs justice, who needs someone to advocate for them, to educate them and fight for them, they need to come here to Ankin.